All right, today we got the Sea Ray 260 SLX Surf Edition. A lot of different things that we could talk about this boat. I'm gonna go over three of my favorites. Just wanted to show you the outside. This is the reverse drive because it's the surf. It's got the surf tabs. Nice big back. Let's go to the interior and take a look at some of my favorite things. All right, welcome aboard the Sea Ray 260 Surf Edition. So three of my favorite things on this boat. Number one is the tower. This is a power tower. There's a button right over there on the side that lowers the tower and raises the tower. Really easy operation, can get it nice and low under bridges or whatever it is you need. We also have the nice speakers up on the tower as well. So next thing I want to feature is the helm. The helm is a gorgeous helm. We've got access to your Fusion stereo. We've got the dual Simrad screens, controls all the lighting throughout the boat. You've got your digital throttle here for the Merc, and then some redundant switches right there as well. As you can see, the lighting that goes all the way around on the interior of the boat. And then the last thing I want to point out here is the head. The 260 has a very well pointed head, nice and big, and then this is the vacuum flush head. So really nice for a 26 footer. Again, this is the Surf Edition for Sea Ray. We have it here at our Rogers location, so come on and take a look.